What's up, guys? It's your boy Big E with Italia Chains, back again with another video, because I have our silver nugget ring as well as our gold nugget ring here to show you guys. Both of them are absolutely beautiful. If you guys know me, you know that I am somebody that loves a good nugget. Take that for what you will. We have them in both silver, gold, and rose gold. Today I will be going over the silver and the gold with you. This is a 925 sterling silver. If you guys see, there is a brilliant sparkle coming off these nuggets right here. Even though it's not a diamond cut ring, because it's done with such precision, you'd almost looks diamond cut in the facets in the ring. The ring itself weighs about 12 grams. It is a perfect everyday ring. This is the kind of ring that you guys want to rock every day. It goes with any chain and you can put it on any finger, but this is what it looks like in silver, guys. Just that classic, beautiful look. And if you want to take it up a notch and get a little more luxurious with it, this is our gold nugget ring right here again, which is absolutely beautiful. They're on our site right now. They're ready to sell. They're ready to ship to you guys. We have an amazing price on them. You're definitely going to catch a savings like you always do with us at Italia Chains. Let me know what you guys think of the nugget ring. Let me know if you guys would rock a nugget ring, if you have nugget rings. Like usual, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Love to hear from you in the comments. Love to hear what you guys have to say about this nugget ring. And again, if you're interested in buying this, the link will be in the description and you can go on our site, italiachains.com, search the nugget ring and you will find all the different variations that we have. So with that, guys, this has been your boy Big E. These are our nugget rings and I am out. Peace.